43-hour federal qualifying education practice test. Question 1. According to USPAP, what is the ethics rule primarily concerned with? A. Appraisal reporting formats. B. Conduct, management, and confidentiality. C. Mathematical accuracy and valuation. Or D. The choice of appraisal software. The correct answer is B. Conduct, management, and confidentiality. The ethics rule covers conduct, management, and confidentiality. Question 2. Which valuation approach is most common for owner-occupied residential properties? A. Income approach. B. Cost approach. C. Sales comparison approach. Or D. Liquidation approach. The correct answer is C. Sales comparison approach. The sales comparison approach is the primary method for residential appraisal. Question 3. What is highest and best use? A. The use that yields the highest net return. B. The current use of the property. C. The use preferred by the lender. Or D. The use with the lowest property tax. The correct answer is A. The use that yields the highest net return. Highest and best use is the reasonably probable use that results in the highest value. Question 4. A summary appraisal report is required to contain what level of detail? A. Minimal. B. Extensive. C. Intermediate/moderate. Or D. No detail. The correct answer is C. Intermediate/moderate. USPAP defines reporting options. A summary report provides a moderate level of detail. Question 5. What is the principle of substitution? A. Replacing one appraiser with another. B. A buyer will not pay more for a property than for an equally desirable substitute. C. Replacing old materials with new ones. Or D. Substituting land for labor. The correct answer is B. A buyer will not pay more for a property than for an equally desirable substitute. The principle of substitution states that a buyer won't pay more for a property than an equivalent substitute. Question 6. What is plottage? A. The physical division of land. B. The value increment from combining two or more lots. C. The measurement of a plot of land. Or D. A type of zoning restriction. The correct answer is B. The value increment from combining two or more lots. Plottage is the increased value resulting from assembly. Question 7. What is functional obsolescence? A. Loss in value due to external market factors. B. Loss in value due to physical wear and tear. C. Loss in value due to outdated design or features. Or D. Loss in value due to high interest rates. The correct answer is C. Loss in value due to outdated design or features. Functional obsolescence is internal to the property, like an outdated layout. Question 8. Under USPAP, how long must an appraiser keep a work file? A. 3 years. B. 5 years, or 2 years after final judicial disposition. C. 10 years. Or D. Indefinitely. The correct answer is B. 5 years, or 2 years after final judicial disposition. USPAP record-keeping rule requires 5 years minimum. Question 9. Which of the following is an extraordinary assumption? A. A fact known to be true. B. An assignment-specific assumption as of the effective date. C. A general disclaimer. Or D. A hypothetical condition. The correct answer is B. An assignment-specific assumption as of the effective date. Extraordinary assumptions are assignment-specific assumptions about uncertain facts. Question 10. What is market value? A. The price a specific buyer wants to pay. B. The most probable price a property should bring in an open market. C. The tax assessment value. Or D. The cost to build the property. The correct answer is B. The most probable price a property should bring in an open market. Market value is the most probable price under fair sale conditions. Question 11. A property is valued at $200,000 with a 10% capitalization rate. What is the NOI? A. $2,000. B. $20,000. C. $200,000. Or D. $22,000. The correct answer is B. $20,000. NOI equals value asterisk cap rate, $200,000 asterisk 0.10. Question 12. What is the purpose of Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice? A. To set fixed prices for appraisals. B. To promote and maintain public trust in appraisal practice. C. To regulate real estate commissions. Or D. To provide legal advice to lenders. The correct answer is B. To promote and maintain public trust in appraisal practice. USBAP's primary goal is public trust. Question 13. What is an intended user according to USBAP? A. Anyone who reads the report. B. The party identified by the appraiser at the time of the assignment. C. Only the borrower. Or D. The general public. The correct answer is B. The party identified by the appraiser at the time of the assignment. Intended users are identified by the appraiser based on communication with the client. Question 14. Which is not one of the three standard approaches to value? A. Sales comparison. B. Cost. C. Income capitalization. Or D. Social demographic. The correct answer is D. Social demographic. Social demographic is not a standard appraisal approach. Question 15. What is external obsolescence? A. Wear and tear on the roof. B. Loss in value due to factors outside the property lines. C. A kitchen with no stove. Or D. Poor landscaping. The correct answer is B. Loss in value due to factors outside the property lines. External obsolescence is caused by outside factors like traffic or economic decline. Question 16. What defines fee simple ownership? A. Ownership for a limited time. B. Absolute ownership subject to government powers. C. Ownership with many liens. Or D. Leased ownership. The correct answer is B. Absolute ownership subject to government powers. Fee simple is the most complete form of ownership. Question 17. What is the effective date of an appraisal? A. The date the report was signed. B. The date to which the value conclusion applies. C. The date the property was inspected. Or D. The date the loan is funded. The correct answer is B. The date to which the value conclusion applies. The effective date is the date the value estimate is valid. Question 18. In the cost approach, depreciation is generally defined as A. The cost of the land. B. Loss in value from any cause. C. The profit made by the developer. Or D. The tax deduction for assets. The correct answer is B. Loss in value from any cause. Appraisal depreciation is the loss in value from all causes. Question 19. What is gross rent multiplier (GRM)? A. A ratio of sales price to monthly gross rent. B. A method for industrial valuation. C. Total rent divided by expenses. Or D. The tax rate on rental income. The correct answer is A. A ratio of sales price to monthly gross rent. GRM is used for small residential income properties. Question 20. What is reconciliation in appraisal? A. Paying the client back. B. The process of resolving the data into a final value estimate. C. Agreeing with the lender's value. Or D. Canceling the assignment. The correct answer is B. The process of resolving the data into a final value estimate. Reconciliation brings the different approaches together for a final conclusion.